I've known about YIVO since the beginning. Everybody talks about YIVO.
I mean, obviously YIVO is the best place in the world to study Yiddish. It's the place where Yiddish was standardised. It's the institution that actually set the rules for the way in which the language can be academically written and written about.
This is the center of the Yiddish world.
I am studying Yiddish because I've started a Yiddish band in South Africa.
I was in a creative writing program and I was interested in creating Jewish fiction.
Yiddish is the language of my family. My grandparents speak it and I have always wanted to speak it with them.
I came into the program having done Yiddish for about 2 years, off and on, but not really being able to understand Yiddish fluently if someone spoke to me.
Amatone, dem Redaktor von dem dosigen Buch.
But now I feel like it's just massively improved my spoken Yiddish, my hearing, my reading, of course.
My Yiddish has improved so much. Grammar and the literature classes are both amazing. I think the professors are just really great.
YIVO has this amazing and outstanding faculty. And I feel like this program allows me to grow like a strong base to continue my research.
It's always really rewarding to see a student come into the program not knowing as much Yiddish and then leaving knowing enough to be able to read a Yiddish book or to attend a Yiddish lecture and be able to understand what's going on.
I mean, I'm sure I still struggle to speak as well as I'd like to, but getting to the point where I don't struggle to understand has been huge.
Our goal is to provide the students with the fundamental skills in Yiddish that will get them through all of their needs academically and socially.
Speaking in Yiddish to people in the hall is great, just being able to have a full conversation in Yiddish. Some people here don't speak English particularly well, so you have to speak in Yiddish. I had helped someone in the program refill their train ticket today and doesn't really speak English, and I don't speak Russian, and so we completely had to communicate in Yiddish. And that's a beautiful thing.
The program itself deserves to be celebrated because it provides an opportunity for particularly young people today to immerse themselves in the world of Yiddish language, literature, and culture. There is so much modern Yiddish cultural history here in New York, and our students can touch it. It immerses our students not only in the academic program, but gives them an experience of living Jewish, singing Jewish songs, dancing Jewish dances, learning about Yiddish theater.
To see so many young actors on stage performing Yiddish, for me personally, was quite moving. To see a full house was incredible. The support that Yiddish Theater has here is amazing.
I was really surprised and pleased to see how much contemporary living culture there is around Yiddish, which is really something I didn't expect.
I'm going to be smiling for the rest of my life thinking back at all the things I've done here.
I think people should definitely be studying Yiddish, whether they're Jewish or not, because it's a cool language. It's rich and vibrant and has a lot to offer and can bring so much joy into our lives. Yiddish is not a dead language. It is alive and well.